Hola amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what is going on now?
On today's episode, we're engineering the lift system based on what another schoolie member did. His name is Wes.
So what I'm doing here is I'm making jacks for the roof raise.
Okay.
As we all know, we bought a school bus.
Yes.
Not just a little school bus, but a big 40-foot school bus. 84 passengers, by the way.
That, by the way, is too short for your head clearance.
Yeah. So, because it's just right at 6 feet, the height of the bus, we have to do a roof raise. So what I'm creating is a jack system with these. And we're going to use some all thread, and we're going to raise it. And there's a bunch of guys out there doing the same type of thing. Obviously we don't have a forklift to do it like I've seen, or a hoist, or a gantry. So we're going to do it the shade tree hillbilly way.
Of course.
Floor jacks.
Which apparently
jacks.
works.
And it does work. So we'll be good to go.
Okay.
Anyhow, so I'm welding these plates here to these pieces of pipe, and then all thread is going to go in between, and that's what we're going to use for our threaded jack.
Okay.
Cool?
Cool. Off you go, senor.
Okay.
Off you go.
So I use the magnets to hold the plate. You can put the helmet down.
Take it off.
You can take the helmet off. So I use the magnets to hold the plate in place. I tack weld it here, tack weld it here. And now I'm going to stitch it all together and then make a nice big long bead across. Know that term. If you hear eyeballs and you don't have a hood on, what are you going to do? Close your eyes. If you don't have a hood on, if you hear eyeballs, close your eyes.
Put it down.
You hear me?
Yeah. Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. First thing we did is we used that welder over there. It's a TIG torch. And then what we did is we're making these roof jacks. So what I did is I tack welded the corners with the TIG torch. And now I'm going to go back and fill weld it with the wire feed. Like that. That's hot, by the way.
Oh shit.
So I haven't done this side yet, but you can see there's no metal there, and there's metal there. And that's what we're starting with, is just a tack welded piece of metal. And these are going to be the roof jacks for the bus.
Yeah. Baby.
The next day.
Hi guys. So in preparation for our roof raise, we stripped the bus, we stripped all the windows out, we stripped off all the sheet metal, and we removed all the protective covers over all the hat channel. So now what we did is we decided what we were going to raise our roof up to. And like everybody else, we want to utilize a 4x8 sheet of sheet metal. So we took out the bottom row of rivets on the rain gutter side and the bottom row of rivets to hold the rub rail on. We took a measurement on that. We wanted about 27 inches, or currently we have 27 inches and a 4x8 sheet, which is 48 inches wide. That'll give us a 21-inch roof raise. So what we're going to do is cut the hat channel. We're going to extend it, and then these pieces right here are going to go inside the hat channel. If you follow me, we can go on over there and you can see what I'm talking about. So this is our hat channel here, and this is our square tubing. And basically what's going to happen is we're going to insert this square tubing inside the hat channel. After we make our cut, these are going to get squeezed in. They're going to get welded and bolted in place. So this will end up being the height of our new roof.
The manufacturing of the jacks, the cutting and grinding of the square tubing, among other things, was really in preparation of the roof raise that was very labor intensive. You know, it seems like the more we did, the more needed to be done after that. It seemed to me like a never-ending process.
Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.